Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. So in this video, I will show you how you can clone a website built in Lovable into your WordPress website 100% without any coding. So let's get started. So guys, you can see here that we have created a website using Lovable, which is a yoga studio website. And this website looks quite professional, it looks quite clean, and the color combinations have been set up really well. So let's clone this website. For this, we need to go to this website, which is called softlight.io/CloneWebx. I will provide the link to this website in the video description. After this, we need to go to App button. As soon as you click here, you will see an interface like this. Here you can sign up or sign into this website. For this, you can continue with Google, or you can add your email address and password. I am setting my email address and password here because I already have an account created here. So, as soon as it opens, you will get an interface like this. So here you will click on Add New Project. Here you have to give your project a name, and I am opting for the project name from here. I have added my project name here. After this, we will add source domain. You will put the link of the website you want to clone here. I want to clone this website, so I will copy it from here and paste it here. And we will click on Create Project. So after this, you will get the option, How to Clone a Web Page. Here, the first option will be Install CloneWebx Chrome extension. You will have to add an extension here. So if you don't have the extension added, you will click here. Then an interface like this will open up for you here, and here through this you can add this extension to your Chrome. I have already included it here, which is why Remove from Chrome is showing here. After this, there is Open Your Target Web Page here. Now we have to open the web page that we want to clone. So before cloning this website, we must ensure that our website is fully loaded and all images are properly loaded here. Only then will we be able to clone this website properly and exactly as it is. And for this, we will click on the Chrome extension that we just added. Then after that, you will click on Add to Page here. After clicking on Add to Page, an interface like this will start opening for you. So an interface like this has opened up here. Here you can see on your right side, it shows export type regarding what you want to export. If you want to export the entire page, you will click on Entire Page. If you want to copy a particular section here, you will include a selector. I want to clone the entire page here, so I will select Entire Page. After this, you will see the Page Builder option here. So if you click on this Page Builder, you will find many Page Builder options here like Elementor, Gutenberg, Webflow, Bricks, Breakdance, Divi 5, and so on. I am using the Gutenberg Page Builder here because I have used the same Page Builder on my WordPress website. After this, we have a Requirements option here. It says click here to download and install softlight.io integration plugin. So we will download this plugin from here. And we have downloaded it. So after this, there are other options below here. You can fill out these options according to your needs. For now, I am not choosing anything here. And after this, we will click on Export. So our site has now been exported and the Copy to Clipboard option has appeared. So we will copy to clipboard from here. And this entire website of ours has now been cloned. Now we will go straight to our WordPress dashboard, and here we will come to Add Plugin. We need to add the same plugin file that we just downloaded, because without that plugin, we cannot clone a website built in Lovable into WordPress. That is why we will add it. So we came to Upload Plugin and choose File. And we chose our file and then click on Install. After this, we will activate this plugin here. And this plugin has been activated. So this page is the home page of this website. So we will also create this same page in our WordPress. So we will go to Pages. And here we will click on Add New. After clicking on Add New, we will name it the home page. Now here, what we just copied to clipboard from our website, we will now paste it into our WordPress website. For this, we will right-click, then paste it here. Okay, so guys, you can see that our website has cloned here. and it currently looks like this. So let's publish it now and see how it looks in our content. So it has been published. Now let's view page. And in view page, you can see that this website looks exactly as we created it on our Lovable website. But in this homepage, we can see the extra heading here, the default heading set by the theme. And along with that, the footer is also visible here. So let's fix all of this. So for this, we will come back to the page. And to hide this title, we will hide it from here. After that, we will hide our default header that was appearing here, this kind of header. To hide this, we will go to Astra settings because I have used Astra theme here. And first of all, we will set the container layout to full width. So it will span the entire width. After that, we will go to disable element. And here we will turn on disable header and disable footer. And after that, we will save it. So let's go back to our content and refresh it. So guys, you can see that our website has been copied exactly. Everything has been copied exactly the same within just a few minutes. We have cloned 100% exactly matched website created in Lovable into our WordPress. So this website that we have cloned is also fully editable. If you want, you can remove images from here. Or if you want to add some text, you can add that. If you don't like a section, you can delete it. So that's all for today's video. We also provide AI-friendly website development services. If you need any help regarding that, you can book our free 30-minute consultation call with our experts. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next video.